Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when OneNote is not syncing. Now for this you can open OneNote and then you can go to file and then info, and over here click on view sync status, and over here click on sync all and let the process complete. Once this is complete, now you can check. Now the next step is to go to OneNote once again and then go to file info, and then you have to copy the URL of the affected notebook. So this is just an example. You can copy this URL and then copy this, and then you can open this in a browser. Once you open it, now if you receive a pop-up to open in OneNote desktop, then you can select that, or you can click on viewing over here and then you can click on open in desktop and then open OneNote, and then you can check. You can click on try again, open OneNote, and then you can check if you are able to see your OneNote. Now still not working. Again go to file info and you have to copy the URL once again, file info, and then again you can copy the URL. Now when you copy this, make sure that you have a backup of this. Do not, we need this link because we are going to close it. Okay, so you can just create keep a backup, and then once you copy the URL over here, click on settings, and then you have to click on close over here. Once closed, now once you closed, you will see this. Now you can close OneNote and then you can open that link in a browser. Again, if you receive a pop-up to open in desktop, you can do that, or you can click on viewing over here, open in desktop, open OneNote, and let the process complete. This will add that OneNote once again. Now once done, you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the shrink issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.